So hello everybody, welcome back to another how-to tutorial, and today we're diving into Monday.com CRM features. So yep, this project management giant also has serious CRM game. So whether you're in sales, client management, or just need to organize your pipeline, this tool might surprise you, so let's break it down. So what is Monday.com CRM? CRM is a customizable customer relationship management built on top of Monday.com, flexible work OS, so meaning you can get all the drag and drop simplicity of Monday, but tailored to manage leads, contacts, sales pipelines, and customer onboarding all in Visual Workplace. So, to get started here, just press get started over here, and you will be taken to Monday.com and its product page. There you go, Monday CRM. This is a separate thing on Monday.com, but we're just gonna we have it here. So we're just gonna pick CRM here, use this template, and we're gonna use this template right here. So we're gonna wait for a bit, but it's gonna be a bit faster than usual. So it's just a template. We're just copying a template CRM. But okay, we're just gonna wait for a bit. But it's pretty good. So we're gonna talk about the UI and stuff like that. So it's creating our template boards. That took longer than usual. So I think it's more complicated. So as you see here, this is the CRM. So it's pretty cool. This is our CRM. You can switch between CRM or like normal, I guess. Then the UI, the interface is clean, modular. You can get customizable boards that represent your sales funnel, client stages, outreach efforts, and stuff like that. You can drag and drop cards to update deal status, assign team members, and add automation and view timelines. So compared to more traditional CRMs like Salesforce, Monday feels a lot less intimidating. It's visual, no code, and easy to adapt to your workflow. So here is what stands out about Monday CRM. So fully customizable sales panels. So these are very customizable. And also lead capture forms you can embed on websites, built-in email tracking for templates, sales forecasting dashboard automation. So we have automation here. Automation for follow-ups and tasks assignments. You also have integration with Gmail, Outlook, Slack, and HubSpot, and more. Mobile app for tracking deals on the go. So let's talk about pricing. So Monday.com CRM has pricing. So this is separate from the regular uh, Monday.com. So basic is $12 a month. You get these plans right here. And standard is the most popular because you get a lot of stuff here. So you get advanced account deal management, two-way integration with Gmail, Outlook, activity management, quotas, merge, custom CRM automation. So 250 action per month. 250 action per month for integration. Also create the dashboard that combines 5 boards. So that's crazy. And 5 other AI credits per month per account. You also have Pro. So Pro we got a lot of stuff. So we have forecasting, email tracking, mass email, sequences, Google Calendar Sync, sales analytics, and stuff like that. You also have custom CRM integration. You can create a dashboard that combines 20 boards and stuff like that. And also you have enterprise. So enterprise is custom per company. So lead scoring mandatory fields, enterprise scale automations, enterprise grade security and governance and multi-level permission and advanced reporting analytics and 50 boards in a dashboard and HIPAA compliance, 5 AI credits per month per account, and top tiers support. So you have tailored onboarding and 24/7 with priority queue. So use cases. Let's talk about the use cases here on Monday.com. We need to go back for a bit because I can't really see anything here. So the use cases here is Monday CRM is for small to mid-sized sales teams needing visual pipeline, and also it's for agencies managing multiple clients and accounts, startups that want CRM, plus projects that tracking all in one place, freelancer keeping tabs on leads, deals, and follow up. Basically, if you are using a spreadsheet and running on your sales process, this is your upgrade right here. And let's talk about some alternatives if this doesn't tickle your fancy. So we have HubSpot. HubSpot CRM, very very common. Great free plan, solid for inbound marketing. You also have Pipedrive. I think this is paid. Pipedrive is paid. There's no free plans on Pipedrive, but it's okay. So we have Pipedrive right here. You can try it for free, but you need your information and stuff like that. It's simple and sales focused. You also have Zoho CRM. Budget friendly with lots of uh a lots of features. So that's Zoho right here. It's pretty good. And you also have ClickUp CRM. So ClickUp has a CRM feature. That's pretty cool. I like ClickUp, but it's a bit complicated. So it's another all-in-one, work platform, and it has Hills modules. But if you're already in Monday.com ecosystem, the built-in CRM is no brainer. So yeah, guys. So there you have it. Monday.com CRM is flexible, beginner friendly, and surprisingly powerful. It's not just for project management anymore. So if you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tech reviews. And if you found this and let me know in the comments what CRM tool you're currently using or thinking of switching to. So I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.